Welcome to today's Write Inc Phonics class. Today we have a new sound from the set 3 sounds we've been talking about. Today's sound is O. 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 Good job. So now when you see this part of the card, I want you to say O. But what do we have here? Looks like he's trying to phone home. So when you see this part of the card, I'd like you to say phone home. But when you see this part of the card, I'd like you to say O. Are you ready? Let's go. Well done. One more time. Good job, champs. Now I will put the O sound amongst other special friends from the set 3 sounds we've been talking about. And what I want you to do is when you see the O sound, the split friends, okay? The split friends O sound, which is, where is it? There it is. I would like you to point those 2 magic fingers right at it, okay? But I would like you to front talk each sound I pull up. Are you ready? Say the sounds, point to the O sound. Let's go. Ready, set, go. You're doing great. Well done. You're amazing. Good job, champs. Okay. Now, I would like us to read some words with the O sound. Are you ready? Great, let's do it. Okay, just like we do in all of our phonics classes, when I pull up the word, I would like you to talk each sound. But when I pull it closer, I'd like you to read the word like this. B-r-o-k. Broke. I'll do it again. Oh. Home. Look at that. We have home. 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 You see? I'll show you another one. Remember the sound? Good. They're also special friends. Okay? Now we have own, phone, own, phone. Okay, so like I said, when I put it up, try talking sound like this. Own, phone. Okay, don't forget, when I pull it closer, read the word. But when it's up here, try talking sound. Ready, set, let's go. Yes, that's good. Well done. Well done, champs. Good job. Excellent work. One more. Well done. Now let's try to do some really speedy reading. I think we're ready for that. We're ready, right? Are you ready? Louder. Good. Okay. Let's do some really speedy reading now. Ready? Set. Let's go. Oops. Well done, champs. You did a fantastic job. Now, let's get our pencils and our books ready so we can do some writing together. Our first word today is home. Home. How many fingers do you think we need to pull up for the word home? I'll tell you. 3 fat fingers. Now, let's spell the word home. Oh, home. Let's pinch it. Oh, home. All right, go ahead and write it down. Don't forget the silent friend at the end. Let's do it together. For the word home, our first sound is, and then we have O, the special friend O. Remember, you can't put them next to each other. They're really chatty. So let's think of the third sound for the word home. Good job. Now looks like a good time to add the other friend, the silent one. See? Home. Now go ahead and tick for. Draw a nice bubble to connect the special friends and tick for O. So now tick for the sound. See? That was easy. Let's try that again with another word. How about we try to spell the word hope? Hope. Are you ready? Now, how many flat fingers do you think we need to hold up for the word hope? I'll tell you. 3 flat fingers. Let's try to spell the word hope. Our first sound is, and then we have O. And the last sound, guess. Good job. Now let's pinch it. O. Hope. Go ahead and write it down. Are you ready to take a fix? Let's do it. For the word hope, our first sound is, and then we have the special friends O. You know you're not supposed to put the friend right next to the letter, right? Of course you do. Okay, so let's think of the third sound for the word hope. Good. And now, well done, champs. I'd like you to draw the nice bubble to connect the special friends. So let's go ahead and tick or fix. For the word hope, our first sound is, and then we have the special friends O. So go ahead and tick for. If you didn't get it right, it's totally fine. Just draw a line across the word you wrote and try again. Okay? Now I'd like you to think of 10 words with the O sound. Alright? And after writing those words down, I'd like you to think of sentences that you can form with 5 of those words. Just send us your work when you're done. I look forward to seeing your work. Have a good time. See you next time. Bye.